Hi everyone! Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Great news! My ceramic chopsticks are finally available now. If you have been waiting to buy them, just click the link in the description. Now that since I'm selling them, I should show you how to use them. It's very easy. You can do this with your left or right hand, doesn't matter.
Put one chopstick in between your thumb and your forefinger. Bend your ring finger, then rest the other side of the chopstick on the tip of it. Use your thumb to grip the chopsticks nice and tight. That is perfect. You can slide it up and down until you find a perfect spot that is comfortable for you. Next chopstick. Line it on the third joint of your forefinger and the tip of your middle finger. Move your thumb to hold it tight. Naturally bend your forefinger. Slightly adjust the position so it matches the first chopstick. Now, with the cooperation of these three fingers, you should be able to move these chopsticks up and down to do the gripping action. Practice with me, just like that. As you can see, the first chopstick never moves. It stays still in the position. You only use these three fingers to move the second chopstick.
It might be difficult to control them in the beginning. Just try to eat with them a couple of times. You will be the master. I just practiced it with my left hand and now it's doing pretty good. One mistake that people often make is that they find it really difficult to pick up the rice with chopsticks. The truth is, we don't do that. We use the bowl and you just lift it up next to your mouth and you kind of just sweep the rice into your mouth. Chopsticks are very convenient to pick up bigger size food, transferring ingredients from one plate to another. You can also cook with them. They work great when flipping the ingredients in the frying pan one by one. It's so flexible, better than a pair of tongs. These chopsticks are made with ceramic, which I think is the best material because it's easy to clean, dishwasher safe, it doesn't get mold or rust. It will look like brand new even if you used it for years and years. I love the designs. They're so beautiful and elegant. If you want to buy them, the link is in the description. Go check them out. Alright, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!